So Jack started with 2.5 liters of juice, and if he drinks 0.4 liters every day, how many days will it take for Jack to drink the juice? Okay, so that means we need to divide this by 0.4 to figure out how many days. Okay, but let's start by dividing this as if, right, there were no decimal points. Then here, I can put a 6 and have 24. I can put a 1 here and bring a 0 down. Then it'll be 6 point something, right? It'll be 6.2 because I can put 8 here. And then I could put 5 to finish off this 20. Okay, so we have this. And now if I were to estimate both of these, right? If I estimate the 0.4, it will go down to 0, but we cannot divide by 0. So what we can do instead is pretend we have 2.5 divided by 4. So all I did was move the decimal place 1 back. Here, I can estimate this to be 3 divided by 4, right? And 3 divided by 4 will just give me 0.75, meaning, right, here, right, the correct quotient for this is going to be then 0.625, okay? And now if I have 2.5 divided by, instead of 4, but 40, right, then I get 3 divided by 40 as our estimate. So that'll give me 0.075, which means the correct quotient will be 0.0625, right? So as you can see, if you increase, right, the number, right, we move the decimal place back once, we get 0.625. Increase it one more, we get 0.0625. Following the pattern but backwards this way, right, the estimate of this should be, or not the estimate, the actual quotient of this should be then 6.25. Okay, so this is the correct answer. It will take 6.25 days for him to finish the juice.